Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 with OAuth easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 with OAuth, begin by logging into the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure Active Directory section in the portal. Select App Registrations from the side menu. Click on New Registration to create a new application. Fill in the required fields for the application registration. Choose a meaningful name for your application. Set the supported account types based on your project's needs. For the redirect URI, select Web and enter a valid URL. Click Register to create the application. Once registered, locate the application client ID from the app's overview pane. Next, create a client secret by selecting Certificates and Secrets from the left menu. Click on New Client Secret and provide a description and expiry period. Click Add to generate the secret, and make sure to copy its value immediately. Now, navigate to the API Permissions section. Click on Add a Permission. Select APIs my organization uses and find Azure Storage. Choose Delegated Permission. Next, go to your Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 account within the portal. Select Access Control (IAM) from the left-hand menu. Click on Add a Role Assignment. Choose Storage Blob Data Contributor or the necessary role for your use case. Assign the role to your application by searching for its name. Click Save to finalize the role assignment. Now, set up the OAuth token request. Use Postman or a similar tool to craft your request. Set the request method to post and enter the OAuth token endpoint. Include the following in the request body: client ID, client secret, the scope of permissions, and grant type. Send the request to retrieve your OAuth token. Once you receive the token, you can use it to authenticate requests to Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. Now, test the configuration using the Azure Storage SDK or REST API. Make a request using the OAuth token in the authorization header. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.